Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python training series. In this session, as part of PyTest, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to generate Allure reports. So let's get started. In the previous sessions of this series, we have generated the normal reports like JSON reports and HTML reports, which are kind of very basic and basic looking. Now let's generate the Allure reports, which are advanced and good looking reports. So let's get started here. So to generate the Allure reports, we should have Allure installed in our machine. But to install Allure or to have Allure in our machine, we have to follow some prerequisites where we have to install Java, Node.js. Okay. Without Java and Node.js, we cannot install Allure in our machine. Without installing Allure, we cannot generate the Allure reports. So let's go step by step. By following this session blindly in a step-by-step manner, you will be able to generate the Allure reports. So let's start with the first step where we have to first install Java in our machine. So Allure requires Java to be installed. So for that, I'll open any browser and in that I'll Google search for download Java space JDK and press enter. In the search results, you'll get this link from Oracle. Just click on that link and you'll be taken to this web page. So scroll down and here you will see Java 20, Java 17. So which version I have to take? To decide that, I'll go to new tab and here I'll search for Java versions. Okay, Java versions. And in the Java version, scroll down and you'll get this Wikipedia page. Click on that link. In that Wikipedia page of Java version history, you will find a table here with a list of Java versions. So we have to install Java, which is of LTS version. You see Java, which this Java SE just SE8 is LTS version. LTS stands for long-term support. Once you install, you will get the support for long period of time. You see Java SE8, which got released on 18th March 2014, has a support till December 2030. Okay, you see long time, right? So similarly, after this Java SE8 LTS, other latest versions also came in LTS. Non-LTS are there, LTS are also there. SE11 LTS is there. After these are normal non-LTS versions. After that, SE17 LTS is there. And SE21 LTS is not yet released. It is going to be released in September 2023. When I am recording this session, it is 15th April 2023. So a lot of time is there. So currently, the latest LTS version of Java we have that we can download and install is Java SE17. Instead of going with normal versions, I go with the LTS versions. Okay. So Java SE17. So I'll pick this Java 17, which is an LTS version. In that Java SE17, so I'll take the latest version. That is when I am recording this session, the latest version is 17.0.6. So I'll go with this latest version. And here I'll select Windows. And I'll select this x64 installer. Click on this bin.exe file. It will download Java in our machine. Okay, so Java is getting downloaded in our machine. As you can see, it got successfully downloaded. Let's go to the location where it got downloaded in my machine. So here is the place where it got downloaded. I'll double click on this exe file. And I got a user access control dialog. I'm selecting yes. In a while, you'll get the installation wizard for installing Java. Preparing to install. Click on next. Click on next. Just simply keep on clicking next until it is completed. So we are currently installing Java. So that without Java, we cannot have Allure in our machine. So first we have to install Java, the way I'm showing you here. After the Java installation is done, then go with you see the completion is done. Completely it got installed, Java SE, okay, so and so version got installed. Click on close. Now we have successfully installed Java in our machine. Now let's go with the Node.js. Okay, let's install Node.js. For Allure to be installed, we need Node.js. Okay, without Node.js, we cannot install Allure. So let's install Node.js. The simplest way of installing Allure in your machine is with the help of Node.js. Okay, so there are other ways also without Node.js. There are other ways like Scoop and all those stuff. But I personally feel Node.js is kind of very easy. So what I'll do here is to install Node.js, I'll open this browser and here I'll Google search for download Node.js like this. When I say download Node.js, I'll get this link in the search results, which will take me to the downloads page. And here I'll simply click on this Windows installer, which will download the x64 version, 64-bit version of Node.js. Okay, Node.js is getting downloaded now. Let's wait. As you can see, the Node.js got successfully downloaded in our machine. So let's go to the location where it got downloaded. This is the location. Just press enter here once. Okay, double click on this MSI file of the Node.js. Installation wizard came. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Click on next. Keep clicking on next until the installation is done. Without, don't change any option there. Simply click on S in the user access control, and in a while, the Node.js will be installed in our machine. Let's wait for the Node.js to complete with the installation. So currently the Node.js is getting installed in our machine. So second step, this is first we have installed Java, then we have installed Node.js. After that, we are going to, in the next step, we are going to install Allure. Okay, Allure command line tool we are going to install as part of Allure. So if you are installing this Allure command line tool, means automatically you are installing the Allure. Okay, that's what is the thing. So how to install this Allure command line tool? With the help of this npm. So if you have to use this npm way of installing Allure software, right? So to get this npm, we have to install Node.js. Okay, if you have not installed Node.js in your machine, you cannot use this npm commands. Okay, Node package manager. Okay, with the help of Node package manager, if you want to install some software packages, okay, then we have to have Node.js installed in our machine. Then only we'll get this npm commands working. Okay, click on finish. The Allure, the Node.js got installed successfully. Now we can install this Allure command line tool with the help of this npm commands. So open the command prompt in your machine. Just type cmd here, and you'll get this command prompt option. And in the command prompt, type this command npm install -g Allure. You can see that command here while you are typing. Okay, just drag this, and just by looking at this command, you can type npm space install -g space Allure command line and press enter. So Allure command line will be installed in a while. Let's wait for the installation to be completed. You see, added one package and it got installed. To verify whether this Allure got successfully installed, I'll type the command Allure space --version. This is the command. Okay, this is the command we are typing. Okay, so we got the version, means it got successfully installed. And now let's add the Allure to the system path, system environment variables. So for that, let's go to the, since we have already have installed Allure just now, now we can go to one location in our machine. Let's go to the C drive. In that, go to the users folder. In that users folder, go to the username folder that is currently active in your machine. Under the username folder, you will find some hidden folder. If you are not able to find the hidden folder, go to view here and show and see whether this hidden items option is enabled. If this is selected, means you can see the hidden folders also. The hidden folder name is app data. Open that hidden folder. In that, you will find the local, low, and roaming. You have to go inside the roaming. Inside the roaming, you will find something like npm. This will come only when you have installed, Node.js, and you have installed some Allure and all those stuff, right? This npm will be created. In that, node modules are there. Only one module we have installed, that is Allure related module. Go inside this node modules, and this is the one we have installed. In that, Allure command line will find this bin folder. Go inside the bin folder. Select this path, copy this, and now type here edit system or whatever you type, and you'll get this option, edit the system environment variable. Select that. It will open this dialog. Advanced tab is selected. Click on environment variables. Now select the under system variable, select path, click on edit, and without touching any other stuff, click on new and paste it here. Till the bin folder path of this Allure command line, you paste it and say okay, okay, okay. That's it. So we have added the Allure to the system path. So with this, we are done with the third step. Now the fourth step is, okay, now the fourth step is open PowerShell as administrator. Why we have to do that and all, I'll tell you. So if you go to this terminal or something, and here you type Allure here, not here, otherwise, let's open this part only. Let's open what we have to open. We have to open the PowerShell as administrator, right? Let's open the PowerShell. Just type PowerShell here. And right, instead of opening it directly, right click and open it as an administrator. Okay, just make sure that you are opening the PowerShell as an administrator and select this. In a while, the PowerShell will be opened. It looks similar to the command prompt. So Windows PowerShell. In that, type Allure and press enter. You see nothing came. It's select an app to open Allure. It is saying I cannot do that. So Allure, it is not, nothing is coming here. So that means Allure is not working fine yet. So what we have to do is, after opening the PowerShell as administrator, as a Allure command is not working, so we'll do one thing. check current execution policy. Okay, there is this command you have to run. So just run this command in this PowerShell. Okay, to make this command work, we have to do this get hyphen execution policy and press enter. So it is restricted. That's why this command is not working. So for Allure scripts to work and all right, this should not be restricted. Rather, instead of restricted, it should be changed to remote sign mode. Okay, remote sign. How to change it to from restricted mode to remote sign mode? In the output, we got restricted when I run this command, right? When I run this command, instead of restricted, I should get remote sign. For that to happen, I have to change the execution policy. To change the execution policy in the PowerShell, I have to say set hyphen execute. Instead of get, I have to use set. Let's use that. Here I'll write set space set hyphen execution policy and set it to which mode? Remote sign mode. Okay, the space instead of restricted, we are changing the from restricted to remote sign and press enter. It will ask you to confirm. I'll just say Y and press enter. After that, now type the same command, that is get execution policy, to see the current execution policy. It got changed from restricted to remote sign. Okay, once it is changed to remote sign, now run the same command. Initially we run the Allure command, right, where we didn't get anything. Now let's run the Allure. It's asking me something still. That's okay. Just once or something else. Okay. I don't know why it is asking me, but it should be working fine directly. So Allure command is not yet working for us. So run Allure command in PowerShell, it is saying. Let's see, it should work actually. Allure, I'm not getting any output. I'm getting this kind of stuff. Okay, fine, no problem. Well, let's don't worry about that. It should be working, but maybe something got changed. Edit system environment variables, path, edit. Okay. C users. I'll do one more thing. I'll just add one more path. I'll go to this C drive users. Same location I'll go, Aruniam. In that, I'll find that app data. I'll go to the roaming. And in that npm, I have to go. In that, here we have copy this path and paste it here. Let's see whether it will work or not. npm, say okay, and say that's it. Here we have Allure and all, right? Maybe it may work. So open that PowerShell again. Open the PowerShell now. As administrator, you open PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. Just click on S and say Allure. Still, it is not working. That's okay. Let's ignore that for a while and see whether other things are working or not. It's not compulsory that this may have to work. Maybe I'll type the Allure here in the command line and see what will happen. Allure. Here it is working. Okay. In the PowerShell, the things are not coming. Maybe I have to check this in command line, Windows command prompt. Okay. I was checking in that PowerShell, right? Instead, I have to check in this command prompt where you see when I type Allure, right, these options are coming. That means it is working fine. Okay. It's fine. Okay. So this was a small mistake here. I have to run this command, Allure command in the Windows command prompt. If you are getting that options and all, then we are good. So with this, we are done with the fourth step also. Then go to the last step where we are going to generate the Allure report in our project and all. So this is the project that we have created so far till the previous session, right? Here. Okay, this was the last session. So in the last session, this was the state of the project where, Selenium Python scripts are there. So this test methods having the Selenium Python scripts and everything are there. Everything should pass here. So whereas this Python file has three tests, such tests, login 2 tests are there, register 2 tests are there. I want to run all the tests. And after running, I want to generate some Allure reports. How to make that happen? For that, we have to complete the last step. Already Selenium, Python, PyTest, everything is configured in this project. Now, coming to the Allure report generation, how to do that? For that, first we have to install this Allure PyTest. Okay, how to install? Go to the terminal here. and here install pip space install space allure hyphen pytest. This package we have to install, this Python package. After installing this, for double check, just select this project, select file, select settings, go to this project, select Python interpreter, and here click on plus symbol. And here type allure hyphen py or pytest. You'll get this option, allure pytest, install the package. In a while, allure pytest will be installed in our machine. So this is double confirmation for which I'm installing this. Sometimes terminal may or may not work. So always when I install some packages, right, I'll not only install from terminal, but also make sure that I'm installing from PyCharm IDE also. It may not be required always, but sometimes, okay, I feel that, okay. So I will make sure that I install from both places, okay. Even though one is fine, but still I double confirmation, I'll install from both places. After that, I have to run this command. That is in the terminal itself. CLS, and type this command pytest space. Here we have to give this attribute, that is hyphen allure dir hyphen allure dir is equal to, in the double quotes you have to give the path where you want to generate the report. So here reports folder is not there. Under this project, reports folder is not there. So what I will do is this command itself will create the reports folder for you. I'll simply say ./reports. Dot means project location. Under the project, directly under the project, you create a reports folder. There you generate the Allure reports. Okay. Create this Allure directory, reports directory, that is reports. This is a command. This is a command you have to give. Pytest hyphen allure dir is equal to, in the double quotes, give ./reports. Now press enter. Reports folder is not there, it will be created now. The scripts will run now. While the scripts are running, you can check. You see there is a reports folder created. After all the scripts are executed, you will see some JSON files created under the reports folder. Let's wait for all the tests to run now. So some total 7 tests are there. Let's see whether all the tests will pass or fail. Everything should be passed. Second also got passed. You got the green dot, means second test also got passed. Third test is running now. Total 7 tests are there. 3 such tests to log in to register are there, as I have covered in the previous session. Fourth one, I guess. So fourth one completed. Now fifth one will run. 5, 6, 7, 3 more, including this 3 more. 3 more tests should run. Sixth one, now sixth test will run. Total 7 tests are there, which need to run. Let's wait for every test to run. So sixth test is running now. Now the next last and final test, seventh test. After that, it will give us the results whether got passed or failed. The last test is running now. Done. It's 100%, and all the 7 out of 7 tests got passed. Now, if you observe that here a reports folder got created with this command, and if you expand the reports folder, you got some JSON files. You'll be getting some JSON files. But I want some Allure report, not this JSON files. Okay. So that's a problem. So this command, when you give this command, it's not going to generate the Allure report directly, but it will create the reports folder. Under the reports folder, it will create some JSON files. On the top of these JSON files, we have to generate the Allure reports. For that, we have to run one more command. Okay, that is final step command. What we have to do is, don't run this command in the terminal here. You may not get the results. So do one thing, right click on this project, say open in Explorer, go to this project location in your machine, go inside this project folder, select this path and type CMD and press enter. The command prompt, Windows command prompt will open at this project location automatically here. And here we need to type one command. The command is allure space serve space path of reports. So here I have to write allure space serve space in double quotes. Where is the place where the reports folder is available in the project? /reports, right? You remember. Under the project, directly under the project, under the reports folder, we have that JSON reports, JSON files. Using that JSON files, the serve command will generate an HTML Allure report for you that you will see now. In a while, you will see a report being opened in the browser. It's generating. You see, a report is being generated. It's opening here, you see, in our machine. This is the Allure report. 7 test cases were there, and all the 7 test cases got passed. And they have clearly given us, like in the test login, there are 2 test cases which got passed. Okay, you can see the results here. All this stuff, setup code, tear down code, okay, how much time it has taken. So a lot of stuff is there, right? A lot of stuff is there. You see, total 7 tests, 2 from test login, 2 from register, 3 from search. This kind of very advanced and good looking report will be created with the help of Allure. Okay, we can generate a good looking report with the help of Allure. So in the previous sessions, we have created some reports, but they were not good looking. They're very basic, like HTML and JSON reports were very basic. But this report, this Allure report is looks very advanced and a good looking report. Okay, advanced and good looking report. So that's why people opt for generating the Allure reports in the project. So there is no coding you have to do, just you have to do the configurations and all. So software to be installed. If you take care of these steps right, then everything will be fine. Just with the simple commands, you'll be able to generate the Allure reports. But you have to make sure that all these steps are satisfied. Then only Allure reports will be generated. So hope guys you understood how to generate the Allure reports in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.